In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the rear wheel bearings and seals in a 2001 Ford Ranger 4.0 liter. To get started, raise the vehicle up, remove the wheels. These are a 19mm. Then to get the drums off, take a hammer and lightly tap on it until it breaks free. Then remove the drums. Then you're going to want to remove the differential cover. These are a 13mm. Then keep at least one bolt on top in, but loosened up. And then you can take a screwdriver and gently pry the cover open. And then let the gear oil drain out. And then you're going to want to turn the vehicle on without starting it. Shift it into neutral. And then using your hands, turn the drive shaft until you can see this bolt here. This is an 8mm. You can either use a wrench like this or take a long extension with a socket and loosen this bolt up and take it out. So once that bolt is out, this pin will come out freely. You can gently pull it out. Then whichever side you want to work on first, push in on the hub part of the axle until you can see the C-clip. Then push it out with a screwdriver and be careful not to drop it. And then you can grab a hold of the hub and pull the axle out on that side. And then to get the bearing out, use a bearing puller like this and put it on the end of your slide hammer. Just be careful when you pull it out. There'll probably be oil that comes out. Now you can take some brake cleaner and clean up the end where the bearing and seal will go back in. And now to install the seal and the bearing, use a bearing and seal driver. For this one, we used a 50mm to insert the bearing and a 59mm to insert the seal. Tap your bearing in first gently until it bottoms out, and then insert your seal and tap that in until it bottoms out. And then you always want to add some gear oil on top of your bearing. Then clean up your axle shaft, especially where your seal and your bearing rides. Then install your axle, push it in until it goes past where it needs to be. Then carefully reinstall your C-clip. Then pull your axle back out where it's supposed to be. Then once you have both sides done, you can rotate it and put this pin back in. And then reinstall your 8mm bolt and then tighten it back up. Then use a putty knife and clean up the old gasket on the differential and the cover. Then take a wire brush, clean it up the best you can. Then take some brake cleaner and clean it up. Now I recommend using gasket maker on the differential cover. Make sure you use the gear oil formula, the green stuff. Then apply your gasket to it and then put another layer of gear oil gasket maker. Then install your cover, go around gently, tighten them all up. And these are torqued anywhere from 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Now on the front side of the differential, using the fill hole, fill it with the recommended gear oil. This one uses 80/90. Fill it up until it starts running out. Then put your plug back in. Then put your wheels back on. Torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get